things are made from one, and in the end, all things return to one.
In other words, one is all.
Indeed, and all is one as well.
All is ultimately of the one. So if all is not included in the one, then all is nothing.
You have passed.
The basics. Taped a piece of stibnite to my water bottle. Glass water bottle. And also wrote some mantras on the inside. Wrote some mantras on a sheet of paper and taped it to where it's showing to the inside of the bottle. You kind of see. Got some Sanskrit mantras. Got some Reiki symbols. And then also a cool little aspect I thought of is, writing down your life pad number. All the certain significant numbers or just say archetypical numbers that you're meant to, activate and move through, but just simply put your life pad number, which is the sum of adding up your birthday. And I also got a piece of tiger's eye bead in there. Yeah, just basic stuff to add, to it. And again, remembering that this could help certain symptoms, but also setting intentions like, hey, or even writing it, writing it on the inside, like this is to help transmute the root cause of, anxiety attacks, or to transmute the root cause of, certain doubts. Not just covering it up so that you could be triggered by it again later on, Again, or even that being an affirmation, like, I am responding healthily to triggers, even the deep traumatic triggers. I am responding healthily to and creating new cycles. You know what I'm saying? But the root cause, that's from experience. Again, don't let nobody, it's a balance. Don't let nobody talk you out of, doing these simple things and the things that help, like, a healthy diet, creating water like this. Don't stop doing it just because of the notion that, it's all about getting down to the root cause. That is true. And at the same time, those of us who know we could, use all the help that we can get, it's like, tap in with it. Don't let nobody talk, you know what I'm saying? There's a positive and negative to all the information that's on the internet right now. The same information that is truthful in a lot of ways could also talk you out of doing things that are very healthy for you, or that could help you along your way. You know what I'm saying? And hence the whole notion of the highest form of protection is knowing yourself to the fullest. You feel me? But yeah, I just want to share that with y'all.